We are in Quarryville, Pennsylvania today at the Hometown Kitchen. Now this is a Amish run restaurant. So everything in here is going to be cooked by the Amish. This place has been on our radar for a while. We've never been here. Had a comment telling us to come, so we decided we're up here again. We might as well come in here and check this place out, and you are coming with us. So are you ready, Bobby?
I'm ready.
Let's rock and roll.
Let's rock and roll. So if you have someone that is in a wheelchair or a walker, they have the ramp here that you can take. If not, there's just one step. So that's nice to know.
That is nice. All right, let's head in. Here are the hours. Monday through Friday, 6:30 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. Saturday, 6 to 7:30 p.m. Closed on Sunday. Today's special, barbecued meatballs. That doesn't sound bad. Vegetable of the day is mixed vegetables. Soup is chili, chicken corn noodle, cheddar bacon potato. Guys, they have whoopie pies in here. I'm gonna try to fight that off. I eat too many desserts while I'm up here. So we got here right when this place opened for dinner. Perfect time to come. We wanted to sit back in this room because beautiful painting. There's Lidditz with the Julia Sturgis Pretzel Bakery. Amish kids playing baseball. Schoolhouse. What do you think of this, Bobby?
It's beautiful.
I mean, they did an incredible job. Nice farm. Little boy fishing. I mean, the detail is unreal on this. Nice painting of a Amish family. Road sign of all the different Amish towns. Looks like a produce stand. A market. Looks like going into a store and like using a chalkboard for the prices. Wilbur Company, the chocolates. And the painting of this railroad is unbelievable. And we've ridden that train. It's a lot of fun. There's some tourists. That'll probably be us someday. We're gonna go over the menu here at the Hometown Kitchen. I have a light directly over my head, so I had to put this dinner menu straight up, so hopefully you can see it's not too dark. Each day they have a dinner special. Dinner starts at 4 o'clock. There's a chicken cordon bleu. Today's Tuesday, barbecue meatballs. That's what I got. Might as well get their special of the day. Wednesday, chicken croquettes. Thursday, crab bisque. Friday, Amish wedding meal. Saturday, they have baby back ribs. And there's a kind of a picture of everything. Here's their regular meals with entrees served with homemade dinner rolls and choice of 2 sides. Chicken pot pie, meatloaf, have open face roast beef, ham steak, have crab cakes, and have fried oysters. Bobby was thinking about that. There's what the other meals look like. Let's go to the other side of the menu. We have the kids' meals over here. Chicken nuggets, hot dogs, chicken pot pie, some chicken tenders, and their sides. Back it up so you can see it. Have baked potato, mashed potatoes, vegetable of the day, garden salad, potato salad, there's a macaroni salad, pepper slaw, and a fruit cup. What's on the back? Appetizers are served from 11 until closing. So I'll just kind of go down that combo. Chicken tenders, poppers, fried mushrooms, they have chili, chicken pot pie. Here are all the salads they have. A lot of different ones. They have a strawberry salad, steak salad, chicken barbecue. And there are all the drinks, and they have peach tea, which is supposed to be amazing. Hot chocolate, and they serve Pepsi. And there's what your buffalo chicken salad looks like. But that strawberry salad. But everything just sounds good and looks good by the pictures. All right, guys, the food came, and it came fast. I couldn't even get the menu done. It was here so fast. There's the special. Barbecue meatballs over buttered noodles, mashed potatoes and brown gravy, homemade macaroni salad. What do you got there?
I got chicken marinated in Italian dressing, mashed potatoes with chicken gravy, and this is a broccoli cauliflower salad. Homemade rolls, but look at this. They make this jelly here.
Oh, that looks good.
Mm-hmm.
Why don't you try that out? I know you like rolls. You like jelly or preserves, whatever it is. That's strawberry. She said it was jelly.
She said it was jelly. All right, there's the rolls.
Let's take a
Those
look.
were homemade. Well, John, I think I could just eat the jelly and the rolls.
That good.
Strawberry jelly. You can taste that it's fresh. I mean, it's sweet, but it's the strawberry taste. You can just, it's excellent.
You're piling it on, so it must be
am.
good. I wasn't going to do it, but Bobby said I had to try this.
Yeah, you have
Said
to
I'd
try
be missing
this.
something if I didn't do it.
You really would be missing out.
Wow, that is so good. And that roll was so soft.
Mm-hmm, very fresh. Show that, John. This
Here, just see it there.
is homemade.
There you go. I wish
a
you
little
guys could come
sweeter.
here and try this.
Yeah,
that good?
but couldn't you just eat the homemade rolls and the jelly?
I might just eat the jelly by itself.
Yeah, you could eat just the
might.
jelly. I thought about that too.
Yeah.
This is marinated.
And you
Got
like
Italian
it,
dressing.
and you like marinated Italian chicken. You've
I
made it
do.
before yourself.
That cut really nice and tender. So you can really tell it's an Italian dressing, marinated in it. Nice fresh piece of chicken.
It's decent
moist.
size too.
I think the Italian dressing helps keeps it moist. You know, sometimes chicken dries out, but this is not dry. And here, homemade mashed potatoes. The chicken gravy.
It looks creamy.
So those are really creamy mashed potatoes. You can tell they're homemade. I like the gravy. So, but you can look at that, how fluffy.
Yeah. Well, you know, I didn't want to get mashed potatoes either. We try to get different things, but I heard they're so good.
And so the broccoli cauliflower salad. So basically it's like coleslaw, except for it has the broccoli, cauliflower, there's some bacon in that. I like how they chopped it up fine. It's a nice creamy dressing. It's something different.
All right, guys. I'm gonna spin this around so you can see those meatballs. Homemade meatballs, homemade barbecue sauce. But look what's underneath them.
The noodles.
Buttered noodles, but there's barbecue sauce on them. It's gonna taste a little different. So let's just cut in them. Looks good. There we go. That is excellent. It almost looks like a glaze. And it almost tastes like it has a glaze, but I don't think it does. But the barbecue sauce is not real tangy, but a great flavor.
So is the barbecue sauce homemade too, I wonder?
Yeah, homemade barbecue
Okay, then.
sauce. It's different than what you're going to find in a jar. It tastes completely different in the stuff
lot better.
we buy. It doesn't really have that real big tangy flavor to it. Try some noodles, but they're going to have barbecue sauce in them. Excellent noodles, and you guys know, I want to see it in the comments, you know that's why I want to get some noodles in it, but I like it with the barbecue sauce because the noodles have butter in it, and then that barbecue sauce mixes in there perfectly. Bobby, I don't even have to try these. You just see by looking at them, see what you were saying. Those are so smooth, like you said. Smooth is the word for those. There's no
There's no
clumps,
lumps
there's
at all in them.
There's nothing.
They know how to make homemade mashed potatoes.
Brown gravy, that goes perfect with the meatballs, the beef. And I'm not a big gravy person, but I really like that. Try this macaroni salad. You got carrots in there, some celery. So, let's try it.
I've never put carrots in my macaroni salad before.
Macaroni salad. Tastes like macaroni salad. It's good. Now, Bobby makes hers with pickle juice. That doesn't taste like it has any of that in there.
No.
Pickle juice. But I really like it with the pickle juice.
More of a mustard base.
Yeah, I'm not sure
like.
what that is. I like the pickle juice the way you make yours better. But that tastes good. I mean, you can tell it's homemade. I mean, you can see all the celery and the carrots in there. And I know there's carrots in there, guys, but in there, I can't really tell they're carrots, so I can eat them in macaroni salad. I had to break down and get this peach tea because I love tea. So we'll try this.
Yeah, they make homemade peach tea and raspberry. And the lady said she thought the peach was the best.
It's almost got the lemonade. They make the lemonade here. But that is some awesome peach tea. You can really, if you like peaches, you're going to love that because you taste more of a peach taste than you do really the tea. I mean, but it is so good. So if you guys like peach tea, make sure you get this. The more I eat these meatballs, the more I like it. I mean, it is so good. It's so different with the barbecue sauce. 'Cause I had some meatballs on a buffet somewhere, and they were barbecued. They didn't taste anywhere as good as these do. And the more I eat it, it's not tangy like you said earlier, but it's kind of sweet.
This jelly, John told me, you better quit eating all that bread and jelly and eat your chicken, but this is excellent.
I thought I saw you trying to sneak this in your purse.
There won't be any left to sneak in my purse.
Let's look at the dessert menu. Look at those desserts on the front of that thing. Shoe fly pie. Let's start off with desserts. Fresh fruit pies in season, apple dumplings, apple pie, cherry pie, shoe fly pie, some whoopie pies, showed you this earlier, cheesecakes, here's a carrot cake, tapioca, and sundaes. They have ice cream, smoothies, milkshakes, and floats, cold coffees. All right, guys, shoe fly pie. You know I was going to get it. Now, I read in the comments when we were up there in Ohio, everybody said they didn't see me get any shoe fly pie. That's because in Amish country in Ohio, they don't really sell it up there. I don't think you can find it any place. It's only in Pennsylvania.
Okay, there's a carrot cake, cream cheese icing, and it's warm. I've never had the icing warm on there before. Get some of this.
Let me see what you get.
Hey Jen, you're late.
It's good. Taste the nuts in it, carrots. Like I said, some moist cake. It's just different that they heated it up, the icing.
How's the icing like that? I mean, does it taste good that way? Heated
Yeah, it
up?
still tastes good, but I think I'd rather have it cold. But it's not bad.
Okay, let's look at the shoe fly pie. Plate is cold. Look at all that molasses and all this crumbs and stuff all over it. You guys see that in there? Does it look like some goodness? That's a big piece.
It is a big piece.
Yeah.
Because it's sweet.
All right, guys. That is definitely sweet and gooey. I mean, you're talking about brown sugar and molasses there, but look how thick that is.
Yeah, they gave you a really nice
That's
size
probably one of the
piece.
biggest pieces I've had of shoe fly pie. As I've said before, since I've been coming up here, I've never had a bad shoe fly pie in this area. That one's as good as any other ones I've had. It's just, I mean, just look at it. I mean, just look how gooey. You see it's kind of sticky. Only one says Bobby liked shoe fly pie, and that was at the place in Lidditz,
Yes.
the family covered, that buffet. You liked it there. I can't tell the difference. To me, it all tastes the same. It's all good. All right, let's look at our receipt here at the Hometown Kitchen. There's our 2 meals, carrot cake and shoe fly pie. Grand total $41.15 and $2.47 with tax. So basically $44. I like what they write on there. Well, we just left the Hometown Kitchen. What did you think about it, Bobby?
First, I wanted to give a shout out to our waitress. She was a very friendly young lady.
She was.
Back where John and I sat, the paintings were beautiful back there. I mean, whoever did that did an excellent
they
job,
did.
didn't they? And the chicken that I got was very tender, And I've done chicken like that at home before, where you marinate it overnight in Italian dressing. It's really good. The mashed potatoes were homemade, and you could tell. Now, I had the broccoli cauliflower salad. It was all right, but it probably wasn't my favorite. I'm not sure I would get that again. And those rolls, homemade rolls and the jelly. That was probably my favorite thing. Even though everything was good, that was delicious. I mean, it was a little sweet. And I really didn't need to get that carrot cake, because that could have just been my dessert, as sweet it was. Carrot cake was moist. It had the nuts and the carrots in it. The only thing is, I wish they wouldn't have warmed it up, because it made the icing a little bit hot. Which the icing was, I like the flavor of it. It was the cream cheese. But I guess it was just, I've never had that cream cheese warm before. So it was just like the texture of it, I think.
Now, like Bobby said, the mashed potatoes, those might have been some of the best mashed potatoes I've ever had. They were so smooth, and that's the best way to describe them. That's how we described them in there.
It's creamy.
Yeah, I like the meatballs. Definitely could tell they weren't frozen. Barbecue sauce had a nice, kind of a sweet, mild taste. It wasn't tang or anything. Homemade, tasted good, especially with the noodles. With the buttered noodles mixed in with that barbecue sauce. I told Bobby that was a great combination. The peach tea, simply amazing. Highly recommend that if you come here. Shoe fly pie, like I said in there, tastes the same as every place else here in town. In Pennsylvania, Amish country, you gotta get shoe fly pie. The paintings, like you said, were great. So this is a Amish restaurant. No, we come up here and we go to these restaurants, and a lot of them aren't Amish. I mean, they're in this area, but they're not. This is a true Amish restaurant. So one thing we didn't do that we normally do, we usually show you a little more of like the kitchen counter and all that. And when we walked in, we talked to the waitress, and we told them what we were doing, and they would rather not be on film. We asked them up front, and I even said that, I said, I'm gonna put this on YouTube, but I won't film you. And they said, we really appreciate that, because we don't really want to be on film. So we didn't show you, the kitchen's wide open. You can see them fixing everything, but we didn't really show you that. So I liked it. I thought it was a good trip.
And when I went to pay for it, you could just smell that fresh bread. You could smell it coming out of the oven. I noticed that.
Yeah, and you can also take those strawberry jelly. You can take it home.
Yeah,
it's frozen when they
put it in, so we didn't get any. But I also wanted to say the way the tables were. They were seated far enough away that you were away from people, which I like that too. And it was quiet in there.
It was real quiet.
There was no music playing. So
I like that.
Nice.
Made it easy for do these videos for copyright, huh?
And we could talk to each other without talking over music. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
Yeah, so until we meet again, J and B have left the building. In the Matrix, they have breakfast also and lunch. Didn't show you the menu, but they have it. Now we're out of here.